long way. Here's an example. If you have missing teeth, now you can go to the dentist in the morning and leave in the afternoon with a whole new set. One of the most experienced dentists in the area of implants is Dr. Wayne Brugan from the Brugan Dental Implant Center. Please welcome him back. And also joining us is his patient, Susan Little. Dr. Brugan, you see every day how not only the health concerns that people have with teeth, but how it really impacts their self-esteem.
Yes, yes.
And for you, you took that journey. So what was happening with your mouth?
I had gone to another dentist, and because I didn't have very good teeth, and I wanted to have some dental implants put in.
So did you have some missing teeth also?
Missing teeth, just not born with very good teeth. So I had to have a lot of dental work done. So I went to another dentist, and he was supposed to put in 4 implants.
Okay.
Well, he ended up putting in just 2, and I knew that that wasn't going to work. Well, he gave me a set of regular dentures. The regular dentures did not fit. It had the thing in the roof of your mouth to where everything you tasted like plastic. So I ended up doing some research, and I found Dr. Brugan.
But before that, I mean, it was a struggle. I mean, you would just not use them because it was such an inconvenience. But at the same time, when you didn't use them,
I went for almost 2 years with these dentures that I couldn't even wear.
Yeah.
I would have to go and eat soup, a hamburger, take it off the bread, cut it up real small.
You actually lost weight because you had to sit down and think, am I going to enjoy this meal? No, I'm just going to eat what I have to.
Exactly. I lost a lot of weight. I was very miserable. I didn't wear them because they didn't fit. I didn't go out in public. I was just absolutely miserable.
Yeah. Your husband, Jim, is with us this morning as well. And so you, standing by looking at your wife, that was tough because it really impacted her self-esteem, didn't it?
It really was. But Dr. Brugan and his staff are fantastic.
All right, so Dr. Brugan, when she did her research and she found you, you know, a lot of people wear dentures, but what makes this so much better, having the actual implants?
Everything about it is better. You know, dentures are false teeth.
Yeah.
And they have nothing to hold them in. So you lose your self-confidence because you're fearful that in a normal setting like you and I are right now, that you might be talking to me and they could come loose. Or if you go to a dinner engagement, that your ability to eat, same thing, they could come loose. So it's just devastating to folks' self-confidence, not to mention their comfort.
Yeah, all right. So with the implants, and also getting them in the same day, basically.
Yes, that makes it nice.
That's amazing. Now, this is some serious surgery, some serious work here, but you weren't really cognizant of all that was going on or aware of all that was going on because you were sedated? Okay, we like that. All right. But, okay, so explain what you did in her mouth.
Well, in Susan's case, they had already removed her teeth, so there were no teeth for me to remove. So it was just a matter of placing the implants and building teeth on top of those. Frankly, in Susan's case, the most difficult part, you can see how pretty Susan is. She was very concerned about the cosmetics, so we had to work a lot to finally create a smile that she really loved and enjoyed.
Yeah,
but we were able to do that. Look, it's so pretty.
Yeah. All right. So it's like a parent admiring their child. He looks at the teeth and goes, "Look, they're so pretty." In that day that she went in, she had those put in. You left with those teeth. What was it like to look in the mirror the first time and to actually bite into something that you loved?
It was fantastic. I mean, I literally cried. I walked out of his office with teeth put in that you didn't take out. You brushed them just like regular teeth.
Yeah.
I mean, they were just fantastic.
And this is not cheap, but Jim, definitely worth it?
Definitely worth it.
How did you see your wife change?
Well, it just changed her whole life. It really did. She was miserable. She was, you know, it was tough for her. Not being able to eat, not being able to go places. So it was worth every penny.
Yeah. All right. So what was the one food that you really were missing? One of your favorite dishes?
I love prime rib.
Prime rib, and prime rib you shall have. Where is the prime rib? Bring it in. We got prime rib for breakfast for you right now.
Thank you.
So we got your little prime rib, and Dr. Brugan, so again, people, if they're dealing with this, they don't have to suffer with this.
No.
And like I mentioned, the price is not cheap, but what price do you put on your self-confidence? What price do you put on being able to use your teeth?
Certainly.
All right. To find out how the Brugan Dental Implant Center can put a smile back on your face, give them a call at 800-615-5818, 800-615-5818, or visit them on the web at nodentures.com. And 2 of our lucky audience members are going home with coupons for a complimentary implant consultation valued at $250. Thank you so much. When we come back, new hope for cancer patients who want to start a family.